Good day folks, so now we will be learning a matrix tutorial by Samoya Val, Regulacion Mark Adrian, Cinco Junrex Warner, and yours truly Tinyakao Freddy Maria. So for the problem, Kelly Fisher has a total of $30,000 invested in two municipal bonds that have a yield of 8% and 10% interest per year respectively. If the interest Kelly receives from the bonds in a year is $2,640, how much does she have invested in each bond? So for the solution, let X is equal to the amount invested in bond 1 with an interest of 8%, and let Y be the amount invested in bond 2 with an interest of 10%, with a total of $30,000. Interest in bond 1 in a year is equal to 0.08x. Interest in bond 2 in a year is equal to 0.1y, with a total of $2,640. Equation 2 is equal to 0.08x plus 0.1y is equal to 2,640. So now we will solve for x. X plus y is equal to 30,000. X is equal to 30,000y. Substitute 30,000 minus y for x in equation 2. 0.08x plus 0.11 is equal to 2,640. 0.08 multiplied with a quantity of 30,000 minus y plus 0.1y is equal to 260. 0.02y is equal to 240. Y is equals to 12,000. Substitute 12,000 in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 30,000. X is equal to 18,000. And bond 1 is equal to $18,000. And bond 2 is equal to $12,000. Now that we've learned the manual way in solving the problem, we will now be using the matrix. So 1, 0.08, 1, 0.1, 30,000, and 2,640. R2 is equal to R2 minus 0.08 multiplied by R1. 1, 0, 1, 0.02, 30,000, and 240. R1 is equal to R1 minus 50 multiplied by R2. 1, 0, 0, 0.02, 18,000, and 240. R1 again is equal to R1 minus 50 multiplied with R2. 1, 0, 0, 1, 18,000, and 12,000. So now for the final answer. X is equal to 18,000 and Y is equal to 12,000. That's all folks.